Hi, in this video, we will take a look at how you can use our client mobile app to schedule your appointments. You can download the booking app by opening the booking page of the company you want to book with in your mobile browser. Please make sure to use Safari on iOS or a standalone browser if you're using an Android. You can use Chrome, for example. Click Install to add the app on your Android device. iOS users can tap the Share button in the browser menu and choose Add to Home Screen. When you open the app, you can sign in to your client account or create a new one. Click Book Now to add a new booking, or choose a service from Book Again to repeat a recent booking. You can check your upcoming bookings below and view their details, invoices, book more of the same service, add the booking to a range of calendar apps, or cancel it if necessary. If you want to take a look at your previous bookings, you can go to All Bookings. The hamburger menu in the top left corner also provides access to your invoices and profile options. You can find information about the company you're booking with in the About and Contact Us sections. If you're using an Android device and would like to enable push notifications, kindly refer to the help article in the description below on enabling them. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.